In this video, you're going to learn how to follow top influencers in your niche on Twitter. And this is an excellent thing to do as soon as you get set up on Twitter, because you can really model these top influencers to see even how they've laid out their profile, what type of content they're putting out, and how you could really do the same to be successful. So once you've created your Twitter profile, you're going to see that there is an option here to find people to follow, and Twitter will really suggest these based on your location. So a lot of these accounts here are local to where I am now. But what you really want to do to start building out your Twitter profile is follow the top influencers in your particular niche. So to do that, you just want to type in your keyword into the Twitter bar at the top here. So let's just say I was in the personal finance space, and I really want to find out who the top influencers are on Twitter in that space. So what's going to pop up once I see that here, you can see across the top, I can see the latest, the people, the photos, videos, news, broadcasts, etc. So we really want to look at the people, and up here are going to pop up some of the two most influential accounts for this keyword. And if we open this up, we can see really all of them here, which is really interesting to see. So what I'd suggest you do is have a look through some of these top accounts and maybe just follow 5 people. If you're kind of a business talking about personal finance, maybe find those related business type Twitter profiles. If you want to promote more of a blog, maybe you could follow more of these individuals, independent personal finance editors. So you can see here, Wisebread, Get Rich Slowly. Let's keep going down. Maybe Vanguard. And really anybody else that you know is a big influencer, you can search for them online if you're in this space. So for example, I know one guy here, Mr. Money Mustache. He's actually a great blog on personal finance if you're into that sort of stuff. And the key idea here is once you come back to your home screen, then your newsfeed will start to be populated with what those top people are doing. You can see the types of posts that they are putting out. You can come into their profiles. You can really have a look at how they're using the cover image. What are the type of things that they're putting in their profile here. You can see the profile image, the type of tweets they're getting, what are the type of things that they're getting engagement on. And this is just a fantastic way to quickly understand what you need to be doing on Twitter in order to be successful, because you are really modeling those people who have been successful. Now if you come back to your home page as well, you can see in your profile the number of people that you're following, and if you want to access those, you can click on that and open them up. And again, you can just come in here, have a look at those accounts, have a look at their most recent tweets, and see how are they getting so much engagement like this. So you can see here, this is a great example. I think Bitcoin's ridiculous. What are the most compelling stuff you've read, watched, written for or against? So this is a perfect example of someone really engaging their audience on Twitter, and that is why it's getting so many likes, retweets, and comments on it. And it's a perfect example of something that you could do for your business to really ask the opinion of audience and get that huge amount of engagement and the huge amount of retweets. So you can really learn an incredible amount by looking at people who are already successful on Twitter. And that's why you should really come in, use that search bar, and find those top influencers in your niche and add them to your account. So go ahead and do that right now so you can really accelerate your success on Twitter.